My name's Tatiana. And my name's Isabella. And this is Lucia Bella! And this is our very special play called The Spoiled Brat. Oh my gosh! My pie is buzzing. I'm going to discuss this with Mommy. Mommy, my pie is broken. How is it broken? Remember yesterday I told you to take the brass off? Well, look, it stands on. And what do you want me to do about it? Get your servant to take it off. No, that's not the word. Well, I gave my servant the day off. Servant! That's the word! You said that already. No, I didn't. Yes, you did.
2 minutes later.
Mommy, my pie still has brass on it. And dang it, I can't fix it. Well, get your other servant to do it. Well, I gave my other servant the day off. Well, if this doesn't get fixed by tomorrow, then I'm going to unfix that and make you re-buy them. No, not again. Fine, I'll fix it first. Thank you, Mommy. You're the best. You're welcome. You said the spoiled brat? That was great. Go back. We hope you like our show. Remember to keep watching us on